Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about evolution of computers. Here are some topics that we will cover in this video. Evolution of computers, local area network, LAN, wide area network, WAN, search engine, email, and graphic user interface, GUI. Evolution of computer. The invention of the integrated circuit brought about a revolution in the computer industry. It led to the invention of the microprocessor in the 1970s. Thousands of integrated circuits that included all the components of the computer, from the CPU, central processing unit, and memory unit MU, to input-output controls, were on the single chip. The production of microprocessor enabled the development of microcomputers. Now we'll discuss about local area network. In local area network, our network of LAN is a computer network covering a small area such as a home or an office. For example, this is the main computer, and here we have other computers that are interconnected to the main computer. So this is called local area network. Wide area network. When a wide area network covers a larger geographical area and is made up of two or more LANs. The internet is an example of WAN. In this wide area network, you can see there are many local area networks that are interconnected to the main system, and this is called WAN or wide area network. What is search engine? A search engine helps us find information on the internet. We enter a word or a series of words in the search bar. This is a search bar. The search engine looks for information on the internet. Examples of search engines are Internet Explorer and Google. You can browse Google and then write the information you want in the search bar. Email. Electronic mail or email enable us to send messages through the computer to our friends all over the world in a matter of seconds. Ray Tomlinson, a computer engineer, sent the first email message in late 1971. His invention of email was such a simple step that hardly anyone noticed it at the time. Email addresses always has an at or at the rate sign. This is at or at the rate sign. An example of an email address is whiz@gmail.com. Now students, you can also think about your email. What would you like your email address to be? For example, with your name and then Gmail. Here is an example of email interface when we compose new message. So this is an area where we put the email address whom we want to send the email. We type the email address of the person we are sending the message to. Here we will put the address, and in the subject bar we type a short description of the subject matter here. And this is the area where we can type our letter. We type our letter in this blank area, and then we click on the send button. Then this email goes to the addressed person. Graphic user interface. The graphic user interface was designed in the 1970s, but it required a lot of processing power and a high quality monitor, both of which were very expensive. A graphic user interface uses visual elements such as menus and pointers to give commands to the computer. Here is an example of graphic user interface. When you see your computer, you have icons, tabs, and menu and slider, status bar. So this is called graphic user interface. This is a short test for the students. Write the answer to the given clues. Message sent through the internet. So what would be your answer? You just think on this. Tiny enough to fit in microcomputer. Graphic user interface uses this to give commands. A global network of interconnected computers, integrated circuits built onto a single chip, has an @ sign, consists of two or more LANs. Now we will see the answers. So here are the answers. Number one is email, microprocessor, pointer, internet, microprocessor, email address, and WAN, wide area network.